Can you believe he said that? Like, how cute.
You can put me in the trash can, throw me on the sidewalk, drop me at the crossroads, sell me at the thrift shop. I don't really care where you send me, send me, send me. No, I don't really care. You can drop me in the ocean, leave me in the alley, hide me in the basement, or leave me at the lost and found. I don't really care when you lose me, lose me, lose me, or if you choose me. I'm a genius, didn't even graduate, don't have a blue check, not verified, but when I go.
This was a really nice shower for only $4. It's very clean. I recommend. Yesterday was an ugly day. I did nothing all day long. But today is gonna be beautiful, I think. So we are gonna check out all the waterfalls and swimming holes around. I was under the impression that I can just rock up, pick a spot I like and book it after, but I found out that actually there is not that many spots available, and most of them that were free were the ones in generator areas. I hate generators. I do not want to be camping next to someone using one. I don't understand why in these times people are still using them. Don't you have enough solar power? Like, what are you using? Ovens? Microwaves? What do you need it for? Just get another solar panel. Be quiet. That's why we go into nature, to enjoy the peace. Air conditioning. That's why somebody would want to use the generator. I figured it out. Wow! It's so pretty! Oh! Whoa! And this is where we are going down. Good luck to me! Do I deserve breakfast yet? As a proper Czech hiker, I brought pashtika, 2 slices of bread and onion. are going on another adventure to see some more of Karijini. But before I go for a walk, I already made a pizza dough that's now rising. I left it on the dash where it's nice and warm, and we are going to have a homemade pizza. But I will make it when we get to the car park, which is like another hour away. That's gonna be in time for me to be hungry. Okay, let's see my dough. It has risen. Yeah. That looks actually quite good. Maybe a little bit of less of tomato sauce this time. Oh, I have way too much cheese. I made this in a van from scratch. How good is that? And you know what I really like? If I ever don't have bread, I can still have bready kind of food. I think this one is gonna be even better because it has a bit more of that cheese on it. I honestly don't know why they had to put the warning there, because the water stinks so bad that nobody would want to get into it. And I would so love to go in there because I'm so hot. Well, this was a little bit challenging. I had to put my camera in the backpack, otherwise I would probably fall in. This pool, you guys, better be worth it. It looks like that's it. Well, at least we have it to ourselves. We made it to the end. Woo! Aww, that's so pretty. We need some sugar for the way back. How do you get up here? This is not gonna work. Can you come? I can't reach you. I know it looks slippery, but it's actually not too bad. Up we go. Today is raining, and that means all the gorges are closed. But I don't mind an easier day for change. I made up a challenge. Today I'm making dumplings out of only shelf-stable ingredients. I've never made dumplings in my life, so hopefully it's not gonna be a disaster. I have used TVP. TVP stands for textured vegetable protein, and vegetarians often use it instead of mince, for example in spaghetti bolognese and stuff like that. And then I rehydrated some of my dehydrated veg like carrots, leeks, spinach, mushrooms, garlic. I sauteed it in my Instant Pot and I added some soy sauce, sesame oil, whatever you like. I don't know, I'm not an expert. I wish I had dehydrated cabbage for this recipe, but unfortunately that's not a part of their offering. I am trying to convince them to start making it, and I'm going to be wrapping it all into rice paper. I have never really worked with rice paper either. It's still not getting soft. Help. Here is my filling. After I finished sauteing it, I added some potato flakes to make it hold together like this. Filling. And I should just wrap it. Oh gosh, that's not looking good. What's happening here? It's one of my dumplings with some sweet chili sauce, of course. There's some really nice dumplings. The first batch got nice and brown, and these ones are white. I don't know why. It's still crispy. It's just not brown. I'm full. I will have these 3 for later. This was another really good experiment. Another meal I can cook when I don't have supermarket access. And it's really good. I'm leaving this campground. I'm going to the visitor center for a shower to get rid of my rubbish, replenish some water. Got a key. Now we have to find a shower. One hook. How generous. Good. I'm sleeping somewhere there. Night night. I am sorry, this video was probably a little bit boring. I'm gonna be leaving Karijini sooner than I thought because what the hell is this? So I can't even tell you where I will see you next time, but I hope you are gonna have a great week and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.